I've been teaching for over 3 years now and practicing yoga for uh, at least 12, maybe 15 years. So, my number one piece of advice for new yoga teachers, this is probably going to contradict what you were maybe told in your 200 hour, but I'm going to say it anyway. I think you should take your notes to your mat when you're going to teach a class. So, I brought an example. This is a typical printout that I would bring. It just lists the poses in order, and then I kind of break it out into sections and then put about how long each section takes. And that helps me when I'm teaching because I can keep better track of time, and that helps also with not forgetting any of the poses. Um, I know I've heard a lot of people say that you don't need your notes and blah, 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 but for me, it gives me that extra sense of confidence to have my notes. It helps me feel more prepared and like ready to teach. So I bring my notes. I've been teaching for 3 years. I've never had a student complain to me about me having my notes. And if anything, when I see another yoga teacher have their notes, it tells me that they put in extra time to plan out their class. They didn't just show up with their mat and they're not just teaching whatever they want off the top of their head. It tells me that they planned out an intelligent sequence and that they had a plan. So, if anything, it makes me feel more valued as a student and it makes me respect the teacher even more. So, don't let anyone tell you not to bring your notes if you want to. That said, if you don't want to take your notes to the mat, then don't. You do you. But this is my number one piece of advice for new yoga teachers. Bring your notes to your mat if you want to.